Mounting your TV on the wall isn't just about saving space. It's about creating a clean, modern, and cinematic viewing experience right in your living room. But let's be honest, not all TV wall mounts are created equal. Some are a nightmare to install, others don't hold the weight they promise, and many just don't offer the flexibility you need to get the perfect angle. That's why we've gone deep into the world of home entertainment setups and tested a wide range of TV wall mounts to bring you the best of the best this year. We've selected top-rated models based on build quality, adjustability, ease of installation, compatibility, and safety. Whether you're looking for a full motion bracket that lets you tilt and swivel or a low profile mount that sits snug against the wall, we've got you covered. We've listed the top 5 TV wall mounts and their standout features to help you choose the right one for your setup. Also, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Mounting Dream UL Listed TV Mount. The Mounting Dream UL Listed Tilt TV Wall Mount is an excellent budget-friendly option that delivers reliable strength and a clean design for TVs ranging from 37 to 75 inches. With a weight capacity of 132 pounds and VESA compatibility up to 600 by 400 millimeter, it fits most major brands including LG, Samsung, Sony, and TCL. One of the biggest advantages of this mount is its universal fit. It works with wood studs that are 16 inches, 18 inches, or 24 inches apart, giving it a wide range of installation flexibility. The tilt mechanism allows a +8-degree angle adjustment, which helps reduce screen glare and improves the overall viewing experience. It also supports a low-profile design, sitting just 1.5 inches off the wall, which gives your setup a clean and modern appearance. Installation is straightforward thanks to a detailed instruction manual, mounting template, and labeled hardware kit. The safety aspect is also strong. This mount is UL listed, meaning it has undergone independent testing for weight limits and structural integrity. If you want a dependable no-frills TV wall mount that can support large TVs and won't take hours to install, the Mounting Dream UL listed bracket is a strong pick. It delivers top-tier value without compromising build quality or safety. Number 4. Sanus VMF720. The Sanus VMF720 full motion TV mount is designed for those with smaller TVs ranging from 32 to 55 inches, but don't let the size fool you. This mount offers premium motion control in a compact, slim design. It's ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or any room where flexibility and space-saving aesthetics matter. The full motion functionality includes 15 degrees of tilt, swivel up to 50 degrees, and extension up to 20 inches from the wall. This allows you to watch TV from multiple angles, whether you're sitting on the couch or walking around the room. When retracted, the mount sits just 2.1 inches from the wall, preserving a clean, low-profile appearance. What really sets this model apart is the fluid, tool-free motion. Adjustments are smooth and easy, and you don't need a wrench to change the angle. Sanus also includes a cable management system, so wires stay organized and out of sight. Installation is user-friendly, featuring pre-assembled parts, detailed instructions, and a wall template to help with alignment. The bracket is compatible with VESA patterns up to 400 by 400 millimeter, making it suitable for a variety of TV brands and models. If you're looking for a sleek and flexible mount for a medium-sized TV, the Sanus VMF720 delivers the premium feel and durability that Sanus is known for, making it a smart investment for smaller entertainment spaces. Number 3. Sanus Tilting TV Wall Mount. The Sanus Tilting TV Wall Mount is a favorite for homeowners who want a straightforward, sturdy, and glare-reducing solution for their large flat-screen TVs. Compatible with TVs from 42 to 90 inches, this wall mount is built with a universal design that supports most major brands and VESA configurations. It stands out for its low-profile tilt functionality, allowing you to adjust your screen angle up to 12 degrees forward, which is perfect for reducing glare from windows and lights. This feature is especially helpful for large living rooms or open spaces where ambient light is an issue, and when not in use, the TV sits just 2.1 inches off the wall, maintaining a sleek integrated look. The install process is another win for this model. Sanus provides an easy 3-step DIY setup complete with a wall template, labeled hardware, and a comprehensive guide. Once mounted, the bracket allows for post-install leveling and centering, so you can fine-tune your TV position without taking it down. Durability and safety are top-notch. This mount is made from high-grade steel, and its robust structure has been safety tested to handle TVs up to 150 pounds. Sanus also includes excellent customer support if you need help during setup. For those who want a no-hassle installation and reliable performance with large screens, the Sanus Tilting TV Wall Mount checks all the boxes. Number 2, Mounting Dream MD 2268 LK Tilt. The Mounting Dream MD 2268 LK earns our top spot thanks to its rock-solid performance, reliable build, and easy installation, all at an affordable price. Designed to fit TVs from 37 to 75 inches and supporting up to 132 pounds, this mount is ideal for both mid-sized and large-screen TVs. It's compatible with VISA patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeter, which makes it incredibly versatile for a wide range of models from popular brands like Samsung, LG, TCL, and Sony. One of the standout features of this wall mount is its 10-degree tilt capability, which helps you reduce screen glare and optimize your viewing angle. It offers a low-profile design that places your TV just 1.5 inches from the wall, creating a sleek, minimalist look while still allowing for easy cable access. The mount comes with pre-labeled hardware, a detailed instruction manual, and a mounting template that simplifies the DIY process. Plus, it includes MD5751 concrete wall anchors, which is a big bonus if you're mounting on concrete or brick surfaces. Safety is a major plus here. This bracket is UL listed, meaning it's undergone rigorous testing for strength and durability. Combined with its dual steel arms and secure locking mechanism, you can rest easy knowing your TV is held firmly in place. If you want a tilt mount that delivers professional grade strength, flexible adjustment, and straightforward installation, all without breaking the bank, the Mounting Dream MD 2268LK is a clear winner. Number 1, ECHOGEAR MaxMotion TV Wall Mount EGLF2. At the top of our list is the ECHOGEAR MaxMotion TV Wall Mount, a full-motion masterpiece built for large TVs and maximum flexibility, compatible with TVs from 42 to 90 inches and supporting up to 125 pounds. This mount is ideal for anyone seeking both strength and versatility in one sleek package. What makes the EGLF2 version a standout is its ultra-smooth range of motion. It offers up to 130 degrees of swivel, 15 degrees of tilt, and an impressive 22-inch extension from the wall, allowing you to get the perfect viewing angle no matter where you're seated. Whether you're mounting in a living room, bedroom, or corner setup, this bracket ensures that everyone gets the best seat in the house. Despite its large size and robust build, installation is beginner-friendly. It includes a drill template, labeled hardware, and supports both 16-inch and 24-inch wood studs. Post-install adjustments let you level and center the TV without remounting, which is a game changer for DIYers. Cable management channels help keep things neat and organized behind the screen. For large TV owners who want full articulation, top-tier durability, and easy setup in one package, the ECHOGEAR MaxMotion is as premium as it gets. Choosing the right TV wall mount can dramatically improve your viewing experience. And with this list of the top 5 options, there's something for every room and budget. Whether you're after the sleek simplicity of a low-profile tilt mount like the Mounting Dream MD 2268LK, or need the all-out flexibility and smooth articulation of the ECHOGEAR MaxMotion, each pick offers a smart mix of strength, style, and convenience. For mid to large size TVs, safety and stability are key. That's why all the mounts featured here support high weight capacities, offer durable steel builds, and come with detailed installation kits to make setup a breeze, even for first timers. Adjustable features like tilt, swivel, and extension give you the power to reduce glare and optimize your screen position, no matter where you're sitting. Upgrading your space with one of these wall mounts doesn't just save room, it transforms your entertainment setup into something cleaner, safer, and far more immersive. You'll find links to each product in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews, home setup tips, and everything you need to build the ultimate media space.